Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign, and we are just completing the second chapter. Okay, so the name of second chapter is Designing the Supply Chain Network. So the full supply chain management course is available online. Go to playlist and watch all the videos which are unit by and topic wise are uploaded. Okay, so we are just come on the topic named supply chain model. Okay, so what is this model? Okay, supply chain model is the model in which there are some activities are integrated the movement of the goods. Okay, so in these supply chain models are some activity like a plan, source, make, deliver, and returns. Okay, so these are the basic step which will define the supply chain model. Okay, the supply chain models which address both upstream and downstream side. Okay, so this model is defined upstream and downstream both. The supply chain operations reference model measured by the total supply chain performance. So how will you measure the performance? Okay, the total supply chain performance by you can measure by this reference model. Okay, so this also we can say SCOR, supply chain operation reference model. By help of this, you can measure the performance of your supply chain. It is the process reference model for supply chain management. Okay, what is this? This is a process reference model. Process reference means that which process need to be come first, then second, then third in the delivering this from sourcing, manufacturing to customer. Spinning from the supplier to customer to customer. It is the most widely used model. Okay. So this model is mostly used in the supply chain management. Okay. The main thing is that in this model, you will measure the performance betterly. It includes delivery and order fulfillment performance. Okay, so in this, what include the delivery and order fulfillment performance. When you receive the order and when we filling this, what is the lead time of the delivering the goods will be measured in the right way. Production flexibilities, you also measure the production facilities. Like as per seasonal order, you increase the volume of the order. Okay, so that you need to make your production flexibility means you need to produce more product. Okay, in the in low order case, then you need to decrease the production. So this will be flexible. Now warranty and returns processing cost also becomes under this. Okay, inventory and assets terms and other factors in evaluating all overall effective performance of the supply chain. So SCOR is the based on five distinct management process: plan, source, make and driver, deliver and return. So make means production. Plan means starting initial level planning. Source means procuring from the supplier. Delivering means deliver the good, and returning means the return process after delivering. Okay. So first plan process that balance aggregate demand and supply to the developed course and action which best meeting sources. Okay. Production and delivery requirement. Okay. At initial level, you need to plan. Okay. So in planning, you need to understand what need to produce, what will be price, what will be locations, who will be customer. On behalf of this parameter, you can decide the plan. Then make, then source. Okay. So source is the process in procuring goods from service to meet plan at actual demand. Okay. So as per plan, at initial level, you need to start manufacturing process under supply chain management. So it's depend totally on the demand. Which product need to be sourced from supply. Okay. So the process of procuring goods and service made planned and actual demand. Okay, it's totally depend on the demand. Okay, now make is process of transferring product to finished good state to meet plan or actual demand. Okay, so after sourcing raw material, you need to manufacture. So this comes under the make means productions. So in raw material need to convert in the raw material need to convert into finished good. Okay, so these also depend on the plan, depend on the actual demand. Now delivery after finished good after finished good received, the goods need to be delivered as per the order. The process of providing the finished good and services to meet plan at actual demand quickly, including order management, transportation management, and distribution management. So in delivery process, you need to manage the order, then arrange the transportation, and then distribute it to the through distributor. Finally, deliver the process associated with the returning or receiving return product for any reason. This process extend to the post delivery customer support. Okay. After that, you have seen that nowadays any product which received which is not according to the customer, then customer can return anytime. So this process need to also be arranged in the supply chain management. The product need to be returned to the supplier. So guys, we have tried to understand the some parameters, or we can say some activities which are the very important in the supply chain management. Okay, so this is called, we can say, the supply chain operation resources model. This is the most widely used. By help of this model, you can measure the performance of the supply chain management. So guys, we are going to end this session here. I hope you have learned good knowledge from this session. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.